Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When it comes to home safety, having a reliable fire extinguisher on hand can make all the difference in an emergency. In today's video, we're highlighting the best fire extinguishers for home use, trusted options that are easy to operate, effective on different fire types, and compact enough to store anywhere. From kitchens to garages, these extinguishers offer peace of mind and quick action when it matters most. All the product links are in the description below, so let's jump in and find the best fire extinguisher to protect your home and loved ones.
Number 5. Amerex B500 Fire Extinguisher. Safety in your home, office, or vehicle is non-negotiable, and the Amerex B500 ABC Dry Chemical Fire Extinguisher delivers peace of mind with its robust design and dependable performance. Trusted by thousands with a stellar 4.7-star rating, this 5-pound extinguisher is a must-have for tackling unexpected fires. Versatile fire protection. With a UL rating of 2A10BC, the Amerex B500 is built to fight multiple types of fires, including Class A, ordinary combustibles like paper, wood, and fabric. Class B, flammable liquids such as gasoline and oil. Class C, fires involving live electrical equipment. This makes it a versatile choice for any environment, be it your home, workplace, garage, or even a boat, thanks to its UL Marine Use Approval. Commercial-grade durability. The Amerex B500 is crafted for reliability with a commercial-grade anodized aluminum valve, handle, and lever. These lightweight yet sturdy materials ensure the extinguisher can withstand light to medium-duty use, providing durability without being cumbersome. Ease of use. Emergencies are stressful, and ease of use is critical. The Amerex B500 simplifies operation with a metal safety pin that's easy to pull while still preventing accidental discharge. Number 4. Prepared Hero Dry Stop Fire Spray. When it comes to fire safety, the Dry Stop Fire Spray by Prepared Hero offers a powerful, portable, and easy-to-use solution for your home, car, garage, or kitchen. This 2-pack of fire spray cans is designed to provide quick and effective protection against a wide range of fire types while being lightweight and convenient for everyday use. Powerful fire extinguishing formula. Each canister contains 21 ounces of a robust dry powder fire extinguishing formula that works on various types of fires, including grease, flammable gas, electrical, paper, fabric, and wood fires. Its versatility ensures you're prepared for unexpected incidents in virtually any environment, from the kitchen to the backyard. Compact and portable. Unlike traditional fire extinguishers, the Dry Stop Fire Spray is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. The aerosol can design allows for quick deployment in tight spaces, ensuring it's accessible in emergencies. Whether kept in your car, around the house, or in your garage, it's always ready when you need it. Safety first. Prepared Hero prioritizes safety with a built-in safety guard tab that helps prevent accidental discharge. This thoughtful feature adds peace of mind, especially when storing the spray in areas where it could be accidentally bumped or mishandled. Eco-friendly and non-toxic. The non-toxic formula is an excellent alternative to traditional extinguishers, ensuring safety for your family and the environment. Number 3. Ougist 6-pack Fire Extinguishers. When safety meets convenience, the Ougist 6-pack fire extinguishers stand out as a top-notch choice for homes, vehicles, and kitchens. These portable, water-based extinguishers offer innovative features to tackle fires effectively while being easy to store and clean up afterward. Advanced fire protection. Ougist extinguishers use a 97% negative ion water and 3% fire extinguishing agent formula to fight A, B, C, and K-class fires. Whether it's a kitchen grease fire, a vehicle fire, or an unexpected flare-up at home, these extinguishers provide fast, reliable protection. Better yet, they prevent reignition, giving you peace of mind that the fire won't return. Hassle-free cleanup. A major selling point of these extinguishers is their eco-friendly, biodegradable solution. Unlike traditional extinguishers, the Ougist formula leaves no toxic residue. Cleanup is quick and effortless, especially in environments like kitchens, where hygiene is critical. This thoughtful design means you can focus on safety without worrying about lingering messes. Compact and versatile. Measuring just 620 milliliters per unit, these extinguishers are lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for any environment. Whether you need a portable car fire extinguisher, a small kitchen extinguisher, or fire safety for your workspace, the Ougist extinguishers fit seamlessly into your emergency kit without taking up much space. Thoughtful gift option. Practical gifts show care, and the Ougist fire extinguisher is a perfect example. Number 2. Firexo 7-in-1 Fire Extinguisher. When it comes to fire safety, the Firexo 7-in-1 Fire Extinguisher stands out as a revolutionary all-in-one solution. Compact, portable, and designed for versatility, this extinguisher is your go-to safety tool for tackling all types of fires, including those caused by lithium-ion batteries. Universal fire protection. Unlike traditional fire extinguishers designed for specific fire classes, the Firexo covers it all. Whether it's a grease fire in the kitchen, an electrical fire in your RV, or even a lithium-ion battery fire, this extinguisher ensures rapid and reliable performance. Its multi-purpose functionality makes it a must-have for homes, vehicles, and workplaces alike. Fast and effective. Time is critical during an emergency, and the Firexo delivers results in seconds. Its powerful formula quickly extinguishes flames, giving you peace of mind in high-pressure situations. From small home incidents to vehicle emergencies, this extinguisher is designed for quick and effective responses, convenient and maintenance-free. One of the standout features of the Firexo extinguisher is its low-maintenance design. As a single-use aerosol extinguisher, it doesn't require servicing or maintenance, saving you time and effort. With no expiration or spoilage, it's ready whenever you need it, backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty for added assurance. Easy to use for everyone. Emergencies are unpredictable, and ease of use is essential. The Firexo's straightforward design ensures that anyone, regardless of experience, can operate it confidently. Its compact size and lightweight build make it accessible for quick deployment. Mounting bracket included. To enhance accessibility and convenience, the Firexo comes with a strong mounting bracket. Whether in a car, RV, or on a wall, this secure bracket ensures the extinguisher is always within reach during emergencies. Why choose Firexo? Firexo's 7-in-1 Fire Extinguisher offers unmatched versatility, ease of use, and reliability, making it a game-changer in fire safety. From protecting your home to providing peace of mind on the road, it's an essential tool for anyone looking to safeguard their loved ones and property. Number 1. First Alert Garage 10 Fire Extinguisher. When it comes to fire safety, especially in spaces like your garage or workshop, the First Alert Garage 10 Fire Extinguisher is a must-have. This compact yet powerful fire extinguisher is packed with features that make it an ideal choice for tackling unexpected fires. Powerful and reliable.